All right, now I'm on the top of page 440. Let's go over another example. It says find the surface area of the box in the investigate, which measures 8 by 6 by 4. Label the rectangles in the net A through F, then label the dimensions. Okay, so we need to find the areas. Well, let's find the dimensions first, okay? This line is 8 centimeters. They told us here, so I know this line is also 8 centimeters. This line is 8 centimeters. This line is 8 centimeters, and this line is 8 centimeters. And that's one of the lines they wanted me to find. Okay. Over here, this line is 4 centimeters, so I know this line is 4 centimeters, and I know its opposite side over here, this also has to be 4 centimeters, and this will also be 4 centimeters. Okay. Now, since from here to here is 4 centimeters, which they showed me right here, then I know this is 4 centimeters, and I know its opposite. This is 4 centimeters. And I already found that here. These two opposites would both be 4 centimeters. Okay. Now, what would the length of this line be? Well, we know this is 4 centimeters. We know this is 4 centimeters. How did they get that one? 4. Okay, I see. I was like, how did they determine the length of these? Well, and then I did a classic mistake. I didn't read the problem carefully. I knew I could figure out the lengths of all those other sides. So I figured I could figure out these lengths too, but they actually gave it to me in the description of the rectangle up here. It says 8 by 6 by 4. So since I have all 8s and 4s so far, I know this must be my 6 centimeters. And this line is going to be the same length as this line, and as this line. Those are all going to be 6 centimeters long. And then that means this line, this is the bottom of the box, this being the top of the box. So these two lines are going to be the same. So that's going to be 6 centimeters as well. And since from here to here is 6 centimeters, I know from here to here is also going to be 6 centimeters. Okay. Next, find the area of each face of the prism. I can find the area of a rectangle by multiplying the rectangle's length times its width. Now again, don't get too confused on length and width. You're just multiplying the two numbers. It doesn't really matter which one is the length and which one is the width. Okay. Now, they found face A for us. They said 8 times 4, 8. This side, length times width, 4, 8 times 4. And they said that's 32. So the area of A was 32. Well, this is the side of the box, and the other side of the box is going to be E, so I know E is also 32. Okay. Now let's find B. So this box right here, length is 4, width is 6. 6 times 4 is 24. So I know B is 24. And this is the side of the box, and so this would be the other side of the box, so D is also going to be 24. Okay, now we just need to find C. So the length, this line right here is the same length as this line, so that's 8 by, and this line is the same length as this line, so 8 by 6, which is 48. 8 times 6 is 48, so I know C is 48. And C is the bottom, and F is the top, so the top and the bottom are going to be the same size. Add the areas to find the surface area. Surface area of the prism is, drum roll, add them all up. So let's go ahead and do that now. We have 32, 32. That is the two sides, A and E. be adding those up. Here, I'll just do them all together. Then we're going to be doing B and D, the two, the front and the back, 24 and 24. We're going to be doing the top and the bottom, both 48. Now notice, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rectangles that I'm finding the area for. That means I found the area for all the sides of the rectangular prism, since I have 6 rectangles that I found the area for. 8 plus 8 is 16, 20, 24, 26, 28, carrying my 2, 5, 8, 10, 12, 16, 20. Hey, what do you know? Same area, same surface area. All right. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.